In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted video on your profile effortlessly. Often, we may accidentally delete a video or second-guess that decision later. In those moments, knowing how to restore your cherished memories is essential. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can confidently retrieve any videos you've mistakenly removed. To start, grab your device and head over to your profile. Once you're there, focus on the top right corner where you'll notice the familiar menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this menu icon to reveal the list of options available to you. This menu might look like a simple list, but within it is the path to restoring your video. Among the options you see, search for and select Settings and Privacy. This section houses some of the core functionalities that govern how you interact with your content and how others interact with you. Inside this area, one option stands out for our mission today: the Activity Center. Go ahead and tap on it. Imagine the Activity Center as an archive box where actions related to your account are stored, waiting for you to revisit them if necessary. Once inside the Activity Center, you will find the Recently Deleted section. This feature acts like a recycle bin for your content, offering a temporary reprieve in case you change your mind after deleting something. Keep in mind, however, that it doesn't last forever. Videos here are only available for recovery during a specific time frame, so it's important to act promptly. Scroll through the list under Recently Deleted and find the video you're eager to restore. Once you locate it, simply tap on the video and you will see the option to restore it. Tap Restore and just like magic, your video will reappear on your profile right where it belongs. Remember, time is of the essence here, as there's a limited window for recovery before the videos are gone for good. So, to recap briefly, from your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right, select Settings and Privacy, then choose Activity Center. Navigate to Recently Deleted, and there, find your video and tap Restore. It's as straightforward as that. We hope this clarifies how to recover your videos and offers peace of mind that any future accidental deletions can be easily undone as long as they're caught in time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep an eye on that recovery window for any important content you might need to bring back to your profile.